What's going on, you guys? Happy Halloween, you guys. And as you clearly see, I'm Marshmallow. Like I said, it's spirit of Halloween, so might as well get into it, you know what I'm saying? So, it's for today's video, so I'm going to sit here and look into Chainsawman. You know, it's been blowing up on the internet so far. You know, Mappa Studios sitting here took it up on their hands to sit here and make this masterpiece. So everybody, I've been hearing about it so much with the manga, and it's like, hey, better late than never. I heard that they've already done like 3 episodes for it. I'm gonna do the first one right now. See how you guys like it. Then we're gonna sit here and move on to the next episodes. And as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, and also ring a ding ding that bell, so y'all know every single time that I post a new video out. And so without further ado, let's get down with that chainsaw. Okay, we already gotten into first person type of horror. That was about to go down. What the hell? Is it in a storage room or an apartment? I'm confused. Hey! I heard so much about the little dog chainsaw. Man, he really came out the woodworks. Literally. Okay.
この間売った腎臓が
Dang, so kidney?
120万。右目が
30 万。No.
金玉片方。
This nigga sold one of his damn nuts. The struggle's real. The struggle is freaking real. For you to sell one of your nuts. Dang! Man, you must have been real tough times. Woo! Oh.
いくらで売れたっけ ?10 万もしなかったんだっけ
The fuck?
残りの借金が
What the hell? 38 million? 40,000 yen? Hey, yeah, y'all put down in the comments down below exactly how much is that in like an American dollars wise? Because you know the transactions with money are so deferred, so you think in your head like, oh, he probably owed $1 million, but then it could be like he just like maybe like 38,000 or something like that, maybe.
3804万円。
Ah.
落ちた。分かってるって。そっそと殺しちまうか。
Puchita?
悪魔を一体殺せば。
Man, we call him Puchita.
大体30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Hey. We're not getting hit with that copyright bull. I heard they had a lot of references involving this show. But I love the animation though. It is nice.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
よくやったケンジ。 闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる。報酬は
Hey.
40万だ。そっから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費。
Oh hell nah. Nah. My boy getting calm now. Yo, what's up with that? What's up with that? Put freaking hold my man like that, sitting here saying, oh, he owe this much, then the interest and that and all sort of stuff. Man, kick rocks with that bull.
残りが7万。この7万から水道代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だな。
He's so cute.
もう残り1800円になっちゃった。家に食いもんねえし、今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。
This is struggle nation right here.
今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
Hold on. First of all, Dingy should be part of the Struggle Nation crew right here, because he's the embodiment of nigga. I'm struggling. His only food is a slice of bread.
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のため。
It's not even his damn thing.
悪魔を飼ってるやつに
Really,
デビル
nigga?
ハンターが務まるんですかね？
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞ。それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
おい、犬！このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
What the?
マジっすか。いただきます。
Dang, bruh, you gotta be struggling if you agree to that. No problem, no hesitation.
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
But please tell me you didn't eat that for real.
Nah.
That's so. Like, get that shit out of here. Ah, freaking Poochie! So cute. So freaking cute. Now I see why a lot of people were literally looking like why the plushies and the keychains and all sorts of stuff when I was so popular with the character. Oh man, he is a dork.
これで3日は食えるね。この間聞いたんだけどさ、普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。
And when it came down to that little scene, I heard from a couple of my friends, so they thought that was a pair of ass cheeks or something like that, or a pair of titties or something like that. They stupid. So just Poochie's little chubby face, or whatever the hell you want to call it, or so. Eating some bread, bro. Chill with that shit. Chill with that.
俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし、デートする金もねえ。
Man, you thought our great grandparents were struggling. He only had bread. Like, at least they had, like, what, the syrup, syrup sandwiches or something like that. He don't even got that. Give us that. Bro, are you serious with that? Wow. See, this is what I hate. I hate when storylines like that with like loan sharks or so, they looking like, you know damn well this kid has nothing to do with the guy that owes you guys some money though, but you want to pass on the debt or so with him. He did this young. That thing about too, he been dealing with this shit. He was young. I think he probably this age, probably like maybe maybe 8 years old, maybe 7 if anything. Dang, how long you been doing this? Oh, this is where you meet Poochie. Oh snap, Poochie hurt. Oh.
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないならカメ。
Only walking is so cute.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。やっぱ俺も死にたくねえ。
I like how Poochie like literally just standing like a plushie. Dang. How many years have we been doing this? Jesus, he still ain't paid his debt
寝
already.
れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。
Man, that's, I want this. I don't know how, but I want this to be my thumbnail. I want this to be the thumbnail of the video. That's just super cuteness right there. Just off rip.
食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。いいだろ。
He said, I'm a simple man with a simple thing in life. What the hell? This man here cannot catch a damn break. First, he already has to deal with his dad's debt. They always have to deal with it. He's been dealing with this for years. Now you want to sit here and throw in his mom's heart disease in the mix. Man can't catch a break. Man cannot catch a damn break. And this right here shows you just how much you need to be grateful for the stuff you have in your life now. Because we could literally be having this struggling in debt on some bull. And on top of that, and I guess say for the guys or so, you losing an eye, you losing a nut, dealing with struggle meals. Like this is not even struggle meals. This is super struggle meals. This is super struggle meals. Boy, they ain't even got jam. Not even to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Not even no ramen. That's how much he's struggling. He eating off of bread. Now he don't even have water to even use that. Man, this make you appreciate your life. This make you appreciate it. Wow. I'm happy for my life. Ah, dang.
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
It's like, what now? Okay. Abandoned warehouse. Nobody's around. Typical of spy, I would think.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？見当たらないっすけど。どっか隠れたんすかね？
This is sus.
あ、もしか
This
して
is
もう
sus. Hold on. First of all, from what we've gathered, the guy never shows up for any of his missions when it comes down to killing the devil. He's always like, hey, the devil, over here, this location, go. But this time he's taking him to where it's at. And he's not even fighting himself, so that's sus. That's sus. Oh shit.
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
あ、はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
はあ。
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Oh, he got the dog too! Poochie! No!
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみたいに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
What the hell?
デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕、ゾンビの悪魔だから。
Dumbass.
デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Did you run, boy? Well, at least ain't that World War Z zombies where they running really extra fast. But they ain't that slow either though. Come on, Poochie. Here go Poochie. No, 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 no. Oh, no. He can't catch a break. He really truly cannot catch a break. Huh? Oh, snap! But they really chopped him up. And he chopped Poochie up. Oh! Yo, they really chopped my mans up. And chopped up Poochie. Damn. I just... Damn. I mean, I would be in heaven looking at myself like, I couldn't catch a break to save my own life. Literally. Literally. Damn.
落ちた。仕事に行くぜ。落ちた。
Honestly, you would think with all the manual labor he's been doing for years, he might be a little more buffer looking. That's just how I see it. I don't know. Yeah, you can tell he's very calm.
ポチタにそれができるんだったら俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そんで普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Okay, okay, so he's taking over his body. Oh. Hey, he's getting one of his eyes back.
ポチタ。
Hey.
俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
私はレンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにレンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。どうした？
Holy crap, they merged.
傷が。
Oh, this is rub up tail. Oh my. Oh. Now, let me speak on this real quick. So, there are many things that can go to this. Like, people could think this could be like on some Naruto stuff or some Parasite stuff. I'm trying to think of some other animes that does something similar to this though, but this is very close to those, at least to those two, where you sitting here and you on the verge of death or so, and then, or like in some form or fashion, so you done fused with a particular supernatural thing, and all of a sudden it's like your whole life is done changed, for better or for worse. Oh man, and the fact that Pucci was only in it for one freaking episode. What the hell? Now I see why people were so freaking, like, why everyone was so upset. Damn. And like I said, man's best friend right there, you in a demon form. I'm just like, wow, man. Poochie, you a real one. You a real one. Like, you don't want to talk. Oh yeah, it's time to turn up. Come on, man, pull your chain. I mean, it's completely natural to want more out of your life than what you currently have now. Come on now. Yeah, come on. Get that chain, man. Get your chain. Time to revel up. What the fuck? Okay, that was a little anticlimactic on that end. Wait. Arm it. Oh, snap. Oh man, Mappa is really gonna hit that 3D action here. Your worst nightmare, ho. Get in there. Give me your eyeballs, son. Stupid. Man, he is really slicing and dicing it. Oh, there he puts Levi. Slice his ass in half. That's why you fear the chainsaws.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。
Allie.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとな。
Oh.
てめえら全員殺せばよ。
There he is.
ジャッキーもバーだぜ。
Yeah. You kind of went a little psychotic mode on that moment though, but hey, with the life he's been living, hey, let him have some fun with this one. I love the mix of like the light colors plus the 3D animations they have in it. It's not too bulky or so it's like smooth.
先を越されたね。
Oh, he's still there.
生きてるの
It's like he posed there like, I still want to smoke.
Hmm. 君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
Yes, obviously.
だかす。
With no hesitation. Okay, I was a little curious about how exactly he was going to transform back and all that. Weird.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
So either I die right here as a devil or be put in another situation where I'm being kept as a pet.
餌って 朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
He like sold.
最高じゃないっすか。
Man, one of the simple things in life, man. That may sound completely freaking ordinary to us, though. But that right there was like, Hey, y'all can't listen to the songs such one as copyright, you know. Yeah, Mappa does some goods with this. Yeah, I like this, man. Man, they did very good on their first episode. So Mappa has done it again with a great series. I can't wait to see more of this. But alright, y'all, that's pretty much my reaction with Chainsawman, the very first episode, Dog&Chainsaw. If you guys like the video, so hey, make sure you hit that like button, also hit that subscribe button as well, so we can get more up and up on this. You know, come on, join the Dark Crimson Army. And as always as well, make sure you share the video out to your friends, and also hit that notification bell so you know every single time I post a new video out. And as always, this is your boy Dark Crimson DZ. And hey, and by all means, y'all, hey, happy Halloween, y'all.